How much do you know about Thomas, James, and the rest of your Island of Sodor friends? Play the Best of James trivia game and test your knowledge. 8 different questions will see just how big of a Thomas fan you are. To play, select the correct answer by using the direction buttons on your controller. Press the Enter button when you have chosen the correct answer. Be sure to come back and play again and again. We are Thomas's 2 faithful coaches who help to carry passengers from one side of the island to the other. Who are we? A. Annie and Clarabelle. B. Donald and Douglas. C. Bill and Ben. You're really useful. Annie and Clarabelle are my good friends and make traveling my branch line a lot of fun. What color engine is Percy? A. Yellow. B. Green. C. Blue. You are so great! I am Percy, and I am the number 6 green engine. How did James help Gordon in A Proud Day for James? A. Pulling the express coaches. B. Getting Gordon out of the mud. C. Pushing Gordon up the hill. Great job! I had to help Gordon by taking the passengers in his express coaches to the station. What color engine is James? A. Red. B. Blue. C. Green. Of course! I am James, and I am the splendid red engine. I am the number 7 tram engine who enjoys traveling the island of Sodor in search of fun. Who am I? A. Edward. B. James. C. Toby. Nice job. I am Toby, and with my faithful friend Henrietta, I have had many exciting adventures. What did James crash into when he sped out of control down the hill in James in a Mess? A. Sir Topham Hatt's house. B. The engine shed. C. Tar wagons. Nice job! I did crash into the tar wagons and got tar all over my shiny red paint. I am the only helicopter on the island who loves to soar above Sodor and help the engines when they get into trouble. Who am I? A. Harold. B. Birdie. C. Thomas. Now you're flying high. I am Harold, and even though my propeller makes a lot of noise, the other engines are always pleased to see me. What color suit does Sir Topham Hatt wear? A. Black. B. Blue. C. Red. Well done. You're really useful. In my black suit and top hat, I keep the railway running smoothly and right on time. Congratulations! You have answered all 8 questions correctly and are a top-notch Thomas and Friends fan. Thank you for playing, and be sure to come back again for more trivia questions to try.